Hey guys, this is Zach here. Just wanted to do a update on BTC price action. But before I go there, I wanted to revisit this chart that I posted in my page a while ago. So this chart has an indicator called Bitcoin production cost. It has a red channel which shows a ceiling and floor price of producing one Bitcoin at any given time. At the time of posting this chart, the floor price for producing one Bitcoin was $30,000. And it was expected that it would be $60,000 after halving, which it should be now because halving has already completed 2 days ago. What's interesting about this particular chart is every time Bitcoin has touched the lower channel, lower part of the channel of this Bitcoin production cost, it has marked the bottom. Like over here, over here, over here, over here, over here. So, and it's possible that Bitcoin may even close below this channel for a while. Like here it did for like maybe couple of weeks. It closed below it, but that was the time to accumulate. So this is the bottom of the current cycle of Bitcoin, around $50,000. And this was the time to accumulate Bitcoin, as you all know. Similarly, by now, this bottom line would be somewhere around here. I'm not showing this indicator on a real live chart because it has not updated yet. So maybe we could have to wait for a week or so for this to update. But for now, just for explanation, just assume that this is the lower band of this red channel now. This should be around $60,000. It's pretty interesting number because Bitcoin has already tried to reach this level several times past few weeks. It has not been able to close below it. In fact, we have seen strong wicks and from this particular reason. But let's say even if it comes down and starts closing below this level, that would be the time to accumulate. Anywhere from 58,000 to 51,000. You go there and stay there for a while. That would be the time to accumulate Bitcoin or altcoins. So with that, let's move on to the next chart. So I wanted to also analyze Bitcoin using Elliott waves, like where it is, and see whether we have hit the bottom of this consolidation or not. I think I ain't. Yeah, so okay. So this is a daily chart on Bitcoin. I have marked two impulse waves on my chart here. So this is the first impulse that took us from the bottom of this cycle to 30K. Then we went on a sideways move. This is a complex correction. So this is a WXY. And we went on this kind of correction for a while before moving up again. So this is the start of new impulse from 25,000. So if you have been part of this Discord for a while, when Bitcoin was hovering around here, I said that the bottom of Bitcoin is likely in. I think I had posted it on TradingView as well. You can go onto my TradingView, you can see that the particular post in early 2023 or late 2022. I have posted that Bitcoin bottom is likely in based on several confluences that I presented in that post. Similarly, when we were here, I was constantly telling people that This is the bottom. If you were in the Discord, you would know. So now we need to figure out whether we have hit the bottom here or not for the next move up from here, and how high we will go from here. So assuming this is a 5-wave impulse, okay? So let's measure by the rules of Elliott wave theory. We know the wave 3 cannot be the smallest of wave, both smallest of wave 1 and wave 5. So let's measure the wave 1 over here, and let's see if it looks like it is bigger than wave 3. So now wave 5 has to be smaller than wave 3. Wave 5 has to be smaller than wave 3. Okay, for this particular count to be valid, which takes us to around 100K. So that's the maximum possible length that Bitcoin can go in this particular impulse. I mean, it's possible it can go higher later this year, but this particular impulse, that's the highest possible value for the Bitcoin. Now let's see whether we are ready to move up from here or not.